2022 Audi Q4 e-tron. Starting at $44,995. Overview. Audi has big aspirations in the luxury electric vehicle space, and the 2022 Q4 e-tron and Q4 e-tron sportback SUVs will double the size of the company's EV-centric e-tron lineup. Smaller than the midsize e-tron SUV, the Q4 siblings sit on a footprint similar to the compact Q5 crossover. While the base powertrain is a single 201 HP electric motor and a 77.0 kWh battery pack, a more powerful 295 HP dual motor setup with all-wheel drive is optional. The battery pack is said to deliver up to 250 miles of driving range per charge. The Q4 e-tron models will go up against other compact electric SUVs such as the Tesla Model Y and the Volvo XC40 Recharge when they go on sale. Expect to see the Q4 e-tron at Audi dealerships by the end of 2021. What's new for 2022? The Q4 e-tron and Q4 e-tron Sportback are all new models for 2022. They join the larger e-tron SUVs and the racy e-tron GT sedan in Audi's fast-growing electric vehicle lineup. Pricing and which one to buy. Q4 e-tron 44,995. Q4 e-tron 50 quattro, $50,995. Q4 e-tron Sportback 50 quattro, $53,795. With a base price of $44,995, the Q4 e-tron is actually cheaper to start than the gasoline-powered Q5 SUV. We recommend the more powerful 295 HP 50 model, but those who prefer a coupe-like look to their SUV can opt for the swoopier Sportback model, which is offered with the same dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain setup. Engine, transmission, and performance. The base powertrain setup is called 40, and consists of a single 201 HP electric motor and rear-wheel drive. That's the same setup that's found in the mechanically similar Volkswagen ID.4, which trotted to 60 miles per hour in 7.6 seconds at our test track. With an electric motor powering each axle, the more powerful all-wheel drive Q4 e-tron 50 and Q4 e-tron Sportback 50 make 295 horsepower. The result is a claimed 0 to 60 time of 6.2 seconds. That's not as quick as the gasoline-powered Audi Q5 SUV, but it's still brisk compared with other gas-powered compact luxury crossovers. An adaptive suspension should keep the ride smooth. We'll know for sure when we've had a chance to test drive the Q4 e-tron models. Range, charging, and battery life. The Q4 e-tron 77.0 kWh battery pack is said to provide up to 250 miles per charge. The Q4 e-tron supports charging up to 125 kilowatts and, according to Audi, the state of charge can hit 80% in about 30 minutes. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA hasn't released any estimates for either of the Q4 e-tron models' fuel economy, but we expect them to be competitive with other electric SUVs such as the Jaguar I-Pace and the Tesla Model X. Once we get a Q4 e-tron to our office for testing, we'll complete our 200-mile highway fuel economy route and update the story with results. For more information about the Q4 e-tron's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The interior is a technological showcase for Audi's latest and greatest gadgets. The Q4 e-tron's cabin is similar to what's available in other Audis and also incorporates a few unique features, such as a squared-off steering wheel with touch-sensitive controls and a toggle switchgear selector. Although the Q4 e-tron concept was shown strictly as a four-seater, the production version will offer seating for 5. The interior's passenger space should be about the same as the gas-powered Q5's. Cargo space isn't as generous, however. Infotainment and connectivity. The Q4 e-tron will have the latest version of Audi's MMI system. A 10.3-inch digital gauge display is standard, and a large 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen is angled toward the driver for easier access to its various menus and features. Audi will also offer a head-up display with an augmented reality feature that can project information such as navigation instructions or driver assistance warnings in the driver's eyeline. We expect a Wi-Fi hotspot and wireless charging for compatible smartphones will also be on offer. Safety and driver assistance features. The Q4 e-tron models will be stocked with plenty of driver assistance technology features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. For more information about the Q4 e-tron's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, available adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode, warranty and maintenance coverage. The Audi Q4 e-tron and Q4 e-tron Sportback will offer the same limited and powertrain warranty as the larger e-tron SUV. Audi's complimentary maintenance is less generous than what BMW, Jaguar, and Volvo offer, but the e-tron's electrical components are covered for an extended period of time. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Electric components are covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 1 year or 10,000 miles.